Hey guys, so there are many people reporting that the Amana dryer, the drum won't spin, and the heat is working. And what you can do if the Amana dryer, the heat is like that is not working. So the one thing that you can try to do is that when you're gonna look here and you're gonna search for Amana dryer belt replacement, primarily this is going to be issue with the belt. And if the drum stops spinning, so this is something that you want to look for, and this is how we're going to possibly fix the issue by just like changing the belt. And someone even wrote here there was a bit of cloth under the front door that I didn't realize had been folded over, and I guess that added thickness was causing too much pressure or friction. So now it seems to be working again. So yeah.